Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, students. How are you? Today we will learn a. What we will learn? A. What is the what is the sound of a? A. The sound of a. A. Now, what is this? This is a. And what is this? A apple. Again repeat with me. A apple. Again repeat with me. A apple. Now a ant. A ant. A ant. Now let's see what is this. A arm. A axe. We can cut with the help of this word. A aeroplane. Do you like aeroplane? Very good. A aeroplane. A alligator. It's very dangerous. A alligator. Now let's check what happened now. Oh, who is coming? And now let's check the friends of a apple. Alligator. Aeroplane. Now let's check what is coming next. Axe. Axe. Arm. Ant. Now we have to repeat our lesson. Let's repeat it. Apple. Alligator. Aeroplane. Axe. R. Ant. Very good. Now these are the friends of very good. Now you have to repeat with me. Again, let's again repeat our lesson. Apple. Alligators. Very dangerous. Aeroplane. We like it so much. Axe. Axe always help us to cut the things. Now, arm, powerful. Now, ant is so small and cute. Okay, I think you like it. I hope you will learn with this. You have to learn. Okay, students. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.